This is the 2012 Sportster 72. This is the Black Denim paint. This is the mid-model year release. They just announced this at the dealer meeting, the winter dealer meeting in January. And the name 72 comes after Highway 72 in Southern California, Whittier Boulevard. And it kind of has a double meaning. It also gets that name 72 from the 1970s style choppers. The more popular color that this bike comes in is the red hard candy custom paint. That's like that real vibrant fleck paint. And it has the normal Harley-Davidson Sportster chassis with the 5-speed transmission and 1200cc motor. I'll go ahead and start it up. Some of the characteristics that distinguish this bike are the 2.1 gallon peanut tank, the little mini ape hanger bars, chopped fenders, side mounted license plate, 21-inch spoke wheel with a white wall tire. Harleys are all fuel injected nowadays.